Hey guys, Darko here, and in front of me two new TVs that I got for review, one from LG and the other from Samsung. Let's see what I got. So the first model is coming from LG. This is LG's 55-inch C8 OLED TV with UHD panel, support for different HDR formats, new Alpha 9 processor designed specifically for OLED technology, and actually C8 is the first model to feature this new picture processor. On B8 series, which should be slightly cheaper, you will get Alpha 7 processor, which is very similar to the one in 2017 OLED TVs from LG. There's Dolby Atmos support, from what I heard on 2017 models, not something special, however support is there. Cinema screen, meaning that you will get really thin bezels and slim design. And Think AI with asterisks. First traces of artificial intelligence on TVs coming this year. I'm not sure that all features are available in Croatia, however I will try to test as much as I can. That's all regarding this model. Next I will unbox it and you can expect unboxing video very soon. The second TV is from Samsung. It's 49-inch NU7100 series. This is in different price category. This one is cheaper than LG's OLED and it features UHD LED LCD panel, support for different HDR formats. I will use Amazon Prime to check support for HDR10+, dynamic HDR format. Clean cable solution, so some kind of cable management is implemented. I will see how this looks. Pure color, something that Samsung's been using for many years now, and I'll measure color gamut and so on. And finally HDMI connection options, something that is standard for so many years now. So as you can see, I have two really exciting models to test, and in coming weeks I will publish several videos about these two TVs, covering picture quality, many tips regarding smart TV platforms, and also if you have some specific questions, I'll be happy to answer them while I have these two TVs, so let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you again in some other video. Bye!